Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a FrankenPlan with me. It's going to be my hourly pre-planning setup for the week of the 19th through the 25th. And I did do a poll on my Instagram whether I should even film a plan with me since I don't have a set kit, but the poll came back overwhelmingly yes. So I'm probably going to speed you through most of it, but I want to give you a quick overview of what I'm going to be using. I've got my big old stack of functional stuff that is normally in my letter sorter, so like quarter boxes, half boxes, sidebar elements, etc. I have some leftovers that I pulled from my stash. So like my Adorkable kit that I used for the first week of school for my kids from Bubba Bear Studios. I have a decent amount of those leftovers left, including, what are those called? Date covers. I don't know if I'm going to use them or not though, but I like some of these headers. And I've got this one. This is from Bella Rosa by Pretty on Paper Company. I used that last March, but I like how much washi I have left. I've got a Pretty on Paper Company sampler. I grabbed some miscellaneous samplers as well from my stash, like Planner Kate. I like these. And yeah, so I'm going to be using all of that, and then my usual weekly deco, as well as these washies that I picked up. This is from the dollar spot at Target. It was $1, yes. And this is a fitness 2-pack of washi. This is from Michael's. It's the Recollections brand. So yeah, I don't really know how this is going to turn out, so I'm going to go ahead and speed you through this, and I will come back at the end and let you know how it all looks and where everything is from. So I will see you on the other side. Alright everybody, so here we are back in my binder. This week turned out super colorfully. I really like it. I mean, I did not think it was going to turn out like this when I started, but I'm really happy with where it turned out. So I've got a seal from a Bubba Bear Studios sticker, not sticker, but a sticker order. She seals her packages with these, and this was one that I rescued with Undo. I used a lot of headers that were leftovers from the Adorkable thing, and then a lot of functional stuff. I'm pretty sure I showed you everything that I used. You can't tell that I made a sort of washi banner over here, and I really don't like this top corner, how it's just kind of like a weird flag covered again, but whatever. It is what it is. Yeah, so I've got room to expand. I'm gonna fill this in later on when I know exactly what we are doing for dinners and stuff like that. This is the clip that I'm going with this week. I figured if I'm going colorful, I may as well fully commit and go with something that I wouldn't normally use. So this is a little minion by Shepherd Supply Company, and I think that the bright yellow is really fun for next week. So yeah, this is next week's pre-planning. As you can see, it is the busy season for us in the afternoons and evenings. We've got a lot of sports going on right now. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments below, and be sure to check in on Instagram on Wednesday and Sunday to see how the rest of this week shapes up, because this white space, if you've seen how I plan, that's going to be gone by Wednesday. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye-bye.